Our platform strives to keep the users engaged with the platform. Our modules provides you with the capability to run campaigns and competitions with our gamification module. As a manager, you are now able to create complex and comprehensive games, competitions, and schemes to allow for your sales teams to stay motivated and active throughout the year. You can see here that we have the ability to set tiers such as silver, gold, or diamond tiers for agents based on their yearly performance against their targets. We have the ability to reward agents with points for various different actions, such as the sale of a policy, such as logging into the platform and/or generating more leads. These points can be redeemed on the platform, and the insurer can assign the value of each item and reward accordingly. Agents also have full visibility on what they're earning points for and what they have redeemed them for. Beyond that, we also have leaderboard-style campaigns to stir up the competitive juices within the entire organization or a specific team. Agents can also earn rewards for streaks accomplished, such as selling 7 policies in 7 days or logging in 10 days in a row. As a reward for such accomplishments, our platform can accommodate gamification rewards such as badges, points, and physical rewards kept in inventory, such as vouchers or tickets. On top of streak-based challenges, we can also accommodate ranking-based challenges where the top 3 or 10 get a reward with different rewards for the different ranks. Tiered-based challenges where each reward is released at each milestone crossed. And finally, finish line-based challenges where you earn the reward by crossing the finishing line. For each of these challenges, agents get notified of their existence as well as full transparency on the rewards and their performance against it. Each of these challenges can be created based on any data point within the system, such as sales, renewal ratios, claims, logins, leads generated, and more, all for the purpose of keeping the agents motivated and engaged, which eventually leads to better performance.